Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. This will be a quick one because it's that easy. Chris Lane with Abby Anderson, they sing Fire We Found. So a great guitar song. Fits guitar obviously well, so let's go right into this one. We have the capo set on the 4th position, and with that we have 3 simple chords. Let's start with E minor, and it goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G next, and that will be third on E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E, and finally we have the C. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so into the strumming now. If you start with the first chord, E minor, one string around will be down, 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 up. So down, 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 3 downs, and a short pause, and then comes up. So a couple of rounds of it goes. As soon as you play it up, you start the next strumming round. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, and so on. You're going to play one of these strumming rounds per chord, and the chord progression will be E minor, G, C, and back to G. And that's it. So just roll that chord progression, one string round per chord, and it goes like this. Again, E minor, G, C, and G. And that's it, guys. I told you, very quick one because it's very simple. So if you like this song, then it's a no-brainer. Give it a chance. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.